Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Powerbeats Pro with your Android phone. I'm also going to show you some of the functions and things it can do, including pairing with your phone, music controls, taking calls, and also using a Google Assistant. Pairing is as simple as opening up the case and searching for a Bluetooth device. I found that my phone found the Powerbeats Pro in just about 2 seconds. After the phone found the Powerbeats Pro, it took a further 10 seconds to fully pair so that the headphones were functional. Once the headphones have been paired, all you have to do to use them is open the case and it will take around 3 seconds for the headphones to connect to the phone. You can also go to the Beats store and download the Beats app. This will allow you to see the status of your headphones and the battery charge levels whenever you open the case. I found this app really useful. Both headphones have a sensor so they know when they're in your ear. I'm going to cover this sensor with my finger during the demo so I can show you how the headphones work when they're in your ear. To control playback, you tap the Beats icon once to pause and once again to play. If you want to skip to the next track, you double tap it. If you want to go back, you tap it 3 times and then 3 times again to go to the previous song. You can see here when I take my fingers away from the headphones, which could be my ear, the headphones automatically pause the music. When I put my finger over the sensor again, the music starts to play. The volume rocker also works perfectly with both headphones, so you can control the volume up and down. To launch the Google Assistant, you just press and hold the Beats button for a second. You can also answer calls by pressing the Beats button when someone calls you. You can change volume by pressing up and down on the volume rocker. And to hang up, you simply press the Beats button once and it will end the call. If you want to buy a pair of Beats Pro, please check out the description below. Please also make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.